Are you struggling to get your listings ready for that all-important open house? Let us introduce you to TidyTex Home Cleaning, where military precision meets home cleaning excellence. As a proud veteran-owned business based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of attention to detail. With our reliable and professional cleaning services, we help realtors prepare homes for sale, ensuring they shine bright and catch buyers' eyes. Imagine walking into a home that feels fresh and inviting, where every corner sparkles. Our quick turnaround and flexible scheduling mean we can make your property presentation ready in no time. We focus on creating an environment that highlights your listings, making it easier to close deals faster. Here's a quick tidy tip. Enhance your home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on the lights before a showing. It makes the space feel warm and welcoming, helping buyers envision themselves living there. Ready to transform your listings? Contact us today for more details. Visit our website, call us at 210-951-8206, or email admin@tidytex.us. Check the video description for more information and get started with TidyTex now.